welcome. Oh, yes. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some tomato soup, okay? Can you see me? It's kind of dark in here. Let me just stick to the cooking. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but we're making tomato soup, okay? And I've got tomatoes, I've got garlic, I've got some smokey salt. Okay, so basically I've roasted the tomatoes, the onion, the garlic for like an hour. You don't want to overdo it because then it's going to taste a bit funky. Like there's a bit here that's burnt, but I'm not going to blend that, like even this top part, because it's going to be bitter. And I've got some garlic as well. Come on, say hello. Smells so good. Oh, it's hot. Spicy. Hot. So hot. Tiny bit of scotch bonnet. I don't want too much because it's quite flavourful, if you didn't know, right? And then I'm going to get some basil, frozen basil. It can be fresh. Just pop it in there, pop it in there like that. Look at that. Got some coconut milk, oat smoked Anglesey sea salt flakes. Oh, hopefully I didn't put too much. Some nutritional yeast. Try some. Those tomatoes are perfect because they're tangy. I wish I had bread. Some sourdough with like some feta cheese. Oh,